Bentham's Farm is already a space where students grow food and learn about gardening. But we want to take it further by creating new features that support regenerative agriculture and enhance local biodiversity. First, a native plant bed with perennials and ground cover that attract pollinators to help the crops we are already growing. We'll also introduce a mycorrhizal fungi into the soil that forms underground networks with plant roots, boosting the health of the whole garden naturally. Second, a living green wall along the tennis court fence using climbing natives like wild roses and blackberries. And third, a hugelkultur mound, a self-sustaining raised bed built on permaculture principles. The buried wood inside is also naturally colonized by decomposer fungi, which break it down over time and feed the soil. Every plant that we are planning to introduce is a UK native. Species like wild garlic, nettles, Babylon leek, cuckoo flower, and wild rose. These plants evolved here. They support our local pollinators and create habitat for insects and birds. This garden is for everyone. We'll run planting days, biodiversity walks, and hands-on workshops where people can learn about native plants, fungi, permaculture, and regenerative growing. We'll also share the journey on social media to the Urban Farmers Society, reaching over 150 people across UCL and the local community. This self-sustaining project will take at Bentham's Farm, part of UCL's Ivor Evans Hall community in Camden. We've already got the space, as you can see here, the support from Urban Farmers Society, and a community excited to get involved. Every single penny will be used towards creating a thriving biodiverse space, as shown here. Thank you for watching.